Welcome back again. This B747 is Delta, but they already retired it. So I will tour you guys. So I just mapped a B747 Saudia, because it's the only large airplanet that I saw. So I downloaded it and turned to Delta. And on my opinion, it's kind of cool. And the back wing are my favorite, because it really looks like the real Delta logo. Let's go now. So I will first tour you in the comfort and economy area. Tell me if something is wrong and right in the comments. And I'm proud of myself because it's beautiful. But some of the glasses are blocked. I thought it was night already. And the next one is the Delta one. I don't know why did they name it Delta 1. So this part of the airplane is weird, but at least I built it. I'm just going to look outside. It looks like Felter because of the door. So I chose the Saudia because it has no seats and only design. Well, I built and redesigned this airplane. And I'm going back now. And the next is the second floor. And it's messy, because I was just trying to copy the real design. Let's go to the other part. So I will tour even the cockpit. So let's go at the cockpit. I redesign a bit of it again. So I added only some buttons. It's a bit small, but I didn't change it. And let's look at the bathroom now. So we're here at the bathroom. It's small, but based on the maps, it's small. So let's go at the wardrobe. So we have different types of wardrobe things. It's a bit weird and tight, but it depends on my design. So let's go outside now. Bye guys.